Good day everyone, and today we will see how to use name views when drawing interior elevations in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. Go View tab, Coordinate panel, select World Coordinate, set current world coordinate. Okay, now go Name View, New View, View Name, type World. Okay, boundary, current display. Okay, UCS world. Okay, background default, click OK. Okay, world. Okay, again go coordinates, click UCS, click point, click here. Okay, now go type plan, PL, plan, current UCS, select. Okay, zoom in, elevation B. Okay, now go coordinate setting, name UCS, unnamed, click, type B, set current. Okay, B set current, B coordinate set current. Again go new view, view name B, boundary, define window, tick, select boundary area. Okay, enter. Okay, UCS B. Okay, default. Okay, go name views, select B view, select world view. Okay, coordinate world, select B view, coordinate B. Okay, select world view. Okay, go coordinates UCS, click here, click here, click here. Okay, go coordinates setting, name UCS, unnamed UCS, click name, type C, set current. Okay, type PL, plan, current UCS, tick. Okay, zoom in, elevation C. Now name UCS C, set current. Okay, show UCS icon, hide UCS icon, hide. Okay, show UCS icon at origin. Okay, show UCS icon. Okay, now go new view, view name C, view name C, boundary, define window, tick, window, select. Okay, enter. UCS C. Okay, current, click OK. Okay, now go name views, select world view, B view, C view. Okay, again world view. Okay, go coordinates, click UCS, click here, press F8, click here, click here. Okay, type plan, PL, plan, current UCS, select, zoom in, elevation D, go name UCS, unnamed, click D, set current. Okay, now named UCS D, set current. Okay, go name view, new view, view name, D. Boundary, define window, tick. Select window, enter. UCS D default. OK. Now go on name views, world, B, C, D. OK. World, select world view, home, linear, go view, select B view, linear, select C view, linear, select D view, linear, OK. Now set current world. OK. Set current B, set current C, set current world. OK. Now go layout 1, type MV, select window, double click, change scale 1 to 100, change layer, def point, current set to def point, type MV, double click, go view, select B view, scale change 1 to 100. OK, done. Exit, again MV, window, world, select C view, change scale 1 to 100, MV, window, select D view, select scale 1 to 100, double click to paper space, match. OK. A, B, C, D elevation, go model, UCS setting, name UCS, D, right click, you can delete. OK. OK. Go view manager, select D, update layers, select D, delete, apply. OK. Go name views, set current world view. OK. Go model viewport, select 2 vertical, double click, select B view, double click, select C, double click, select world. OK, double click. OK. Go model views, single view, select. OK. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.